Hey guys, this is Jordan with Inverter Service Center. Today we're going to go over this 2024 Brinkley Fifth Wheel we just finished up. We actually took in a customer's travel trailer we did an install on a couple of years ago. They told us they were going to be trading that thing in and getting a bigger fifth wheel. So we took their system in, we pulled all the stuff out of it. We had like 5 battleborn batteries in there. Customer said, I want more batteries on the next rig. So we ended up going with 8 on this one. Now the challenge was he put a generator in the front compartment at the dealership. So we said, hey, we don't really want to put a box over that. We got some hydraulic equipment on the other side, and we don't want to bury that in there where we can't get to it in service if there's a problem. So we ended up coming to the pass-through area, and he said, hey, I'm willing to give up a little space over here. So we actually put those batteries, as you see, we put them in a line right there. We actually put a bus bar across them, and then we built a custom box to cover those up completely. Painted it black, got the laminate on there, and got it to where it blends into the compartment. You don't really notice it even being in there, but it actually houses 800 amp hours of batteries in that spot. He had a little bit of solar up there, a little over 1,000 watts, but he said, I definitely want more solar on this next rig. We ended up with 2,000 watts of solar up on the roof. Because this rig was a 50 amp, he said, I want that multi plus 2 so I can run everything in there. So we ended up doing the upgrade on this thing. We ended up with 8 battleborn batteries in there. We got 800 amp hours of batteries, and we also installed that Victron multi plus 2 so we can run everything. We also got the 2 soft starts installed on the front ACs. This one's actually got 3 ACs, but the rear one is that new Furrion unit that actually doesn't require one. It's a variable speed compressor, and it actually is running right now, but it's really silent, so it's nice, and really doesn't use a lot of power either. All right, guys, so as always, if you got a rig like this, you got something similar, something different, but you want to get an install done, you got questions about it, maybe you got a rig that's got an install that's messed up, you want us to get a look at it and see if we can't fix it for you, just give us a call at 800-621-1271.